In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Slack notifications not working. If Slack has gone quiet and you're missing pings, the most common cause is that notifications are paused inside Slack itself. Before you dive into complex troubleshooting, let's quickly check Slack's built-in Do Not Disturb controls and make sure notifications are actually allowed. Start by opening Slack and going to your home view. This is the main screen where you see your channels, direct messages, and activity in the left sidebar. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you expect notifications. If you use Slack in your browser, keep the tab active. If you're on the desktop app, bring it to the front so the interface updates in real time. Now, look at the bottom left corner of Slack. You'll see your profile area with your name and avatar. Click that profile section to open your account menu. This menu is where you manage your status, availability, and most importantly, your notification settings. It's a quick way to tell Slack whether it should alert you right now or stay quiet. In that menu, look for anything that says Pause Notifications or Do Not Disturb. If notifications are paused, you may also notice a small crescent moon icon, which is Slack's visual cue that alerts are silenced. Click Resume Notifications to turn them back on immediately. If the menu shows a time range like until tomorrow or for 30 minutes, that means a temporary pause was set. Resuming will override it, so you can start receiving alerts again. Some people set a schedule to automatically pause during certain hours. If you see that notifications keep pausing at the same times, consider adjusting that schedule later so it fits your day. For now, the key is simply to resume. After you resume, glance at your workspace to confirm the moon icon is gone. You should start getting alerts for mentions, direct messages, and priority updates. Keep in mind that Slack differentiates between banner pop-ups and badges. Depending on your broader notification preferences, you may see a red dot on the app icon or a subtle banner rather than a loud alert tone. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Do Not Disturb affects the entire workspace, so even if individual channels are active, Slack won't interrupt you while it's on. And if you're still not hearing anything after resuming, the issue might be outside Slack, like a device focus mode or operating system notification setting suppressing alerts, but most of the time, simply resuming notifications here gets everything back on track. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope your Slack is now speaking up when you need it.